strengthening the research, strengthening the capacity building of the students. So this is one aspect. For the seminar, but after lunch so many students went out for roaming around the campus. Last 2 days, hall is full with the participants. Really, it is a very happy moment to the academicians, organizers. I thank you all of you. So, in the four sections around 51 resource persons were able to incorporate for organizing this international event. 51 resource persons bringing the people to here from the different part of the world is very difficult. You know very well, those who are participating in the inauguration section, so many people. Some people 40 hours, some people 45 hours, some people, one person, Srinivas Reddy Garu, 52 hours who travelled over the different ways through Cambodia to the Jakarta, different ways, right? More than 54 hours people travelled and came over here. Came over here by our invitation. Right? Thanks to all the resource persons coming from the different, right, Jayasri Garu from Tokyo Bank, similarly from HCL Technologies, from Associate President of the Infosys Technologies. Apart from that, so many institutions, especially bankers, and Mahatha is coming from the Bangalore. So she is her own startup entrepreneur, a very successful entrepreneur. She has her own unicorn company, like the late